Aurobindo Pharma's Eugia gets US FDA nod for everolimus tablets. Aurobindo Pharma Limited has announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, Eugia Pharma Specialities Limited, has received final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration to manufacture and market everolimus tablets in strengths of 0.25 mg, 0.5 mg, 0.75 mg, and 1 mg. The approved product is bioequivalent and therapeutically equivalent to the reference-listed drug Zortress tablets of Novartis Pharmaceuticals. This approval enables Eugia to enter a niche and specialized therapeutic segment within the US transplant drug market. Everolimus tablets are indicated for the prophylaxis of organ rejection in adult patients undergoing kidney and liver transplants. For kidney transplant patients at low to moderate immunologic risk, the drug is used in combination with basiliximab, reduced-dose cyclosporine, and corticosteroids. In liver transplant cases, it is administered no earlier than 30 days post-transplant along with reduced-dose tacrolimus and corticosteroids. According to IQVIA data for the 12 months ending December 2025, the approved product has an estimated US market size of approximately $78 million. This presents a meaningful opportunity for Eugia to strengthen its specialty and transplant-focused portfolio in the United States. The approval has been granted from Eugia Unit I, and the company expects to launch the product in Q1 FY27. Timely commercialization will be key to capturing market share in this competitive but high-value segment. This marks the 184th ANDA approval, including 10 tentative approvals, received by the Eugia Pharma Specialities Group facilities. The group focuses on manufacturing oncology oral and sterile specialty products, reinforcing Aurobindo Pharma's strategic emphasis on complex generics and specialty pharmaceuticals in regulated markets. Overall, the approval further enhances Aurobindo Pharma's US generics pipeline and underlines the company's continued momentum in securing regulatory clearances for high-value specialty products. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.